They say houses, cats just eat and sleep. Nonsense. They do all kinds of incredible stuff. For instance, if you're dirty, have a go, lick yourself from head to toe. Clean up and clean it off. That's being a cat. Meow, jump up someplace, sits behind, like a monkey on a fly. Being a leaper, don't be shy. That's being a cat. You can climb her fancy curtains, not ain't nothing wrong. Or walk the street and never ride a circus acrobat. A cat that tone. One baby makes his mommy proud, makes her want to show out love. Make babies make a crowd. That's being a cat. Big and a big, big and a small, chasing all tennis ball down the hall. That left paw, that went right, sneak in the dark in the middle of the night. Walking a dance like pussycat toes, smell with the night with the pussycat. Any toe will be kept apart. That's being a, 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 that's being a cat. Meow.